Hi, I'm Jenna with Hobart Welding Products, and today we'll be making a sunflower with horseshoes with the Multi-Handler 200 multi-process welder. So to start, take your horseshoes and just flip them over. And let's start with them upside down. And just kind of overlap one with the other on one end, and then hold it to make sure it's flush. And then go ahead and do that with the rest of them. Now this last one, you can just tuck this under, hold it flush, and then you are ready to tack.
Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
So to make sure you keep it straight, I always push it all the way on the table so it's not hanging off. And then I put the horseshoe underneath it just to kind of keep it level with the one horseshoe that it's already at. So always double check after you tack something, because the heat will pull it one way. Tack the other side. And double check it before you weld it. Straight. Now tacking's done, you can weld it. Nice big weld on there. So just to give it a little bit more stuff, I took a smaller horseshoe and kind of cut it in half to make little petals on the side. And you can go ahead and tack. And you can kind of put them on here any way you want. So again, upside down if you still have your flower upside down.